how do you really scale your ads? Even when maybe you're not paying attention, when you're not behind the screen. Maybe your staff is not actually logged in. You don't have the help. You don't have the manpower to be able to actually continuously update your systems, your ads, scale the winners, turn off the losers. Well, Facebook rolled out something to make it easier for you to be able to accomplish such a thing. And this is something that is important for all of you guys to understand. And down the line, as you keep on progressing in your area of skill as a Facebook advertiser, learn how to master. And it's called automated rules. You can set up an automated rule and tell Facebook, whenever we hit $1,200 this week, shut everything off. As simple as that. So it's really powerful. You're going to get a notification on email, and that notification is going to say your rule, your automated rule has just been met. So we turned off your ads, increased your budget, lowered your budget, stop your campaigns, whatever it is that you set, you will get a notification and you know what actually happened. This is great planning.